Hey there, welcome to Learn Guitar with Drew. Today we're going to take a look at this classic CCR song, Fortunate Son. Here we go. All right, so this tune begins with a classic John Forgerty intro, which is done with the interval of 6. This is very much reminiscent of many of his songs. These two notes, these two notes, these two notes, and then these two. That's actually a perfect fifth, so it ends with a perfect fifth when it resolves. So you have G4 and high E3. Then you have G2 and high E1, D5 and B5, and then you have D5 and B3. So the fingering is first and second finger, first and second finger, third and fourth finger, third and first finger. Okay, so we're going to slide into these from down below. You'll notice I'm using my pinky here. I think that's important to utilize this whenever possible. And this is a great place to do that because it's the right configuration. So I can resolve to this without having to change where my position is. And then there's this little, on this note, he does that little bendy thing I always talk about, which is like, it's a little at the end of that. So it's, bendy thing at the end is pretty cool. So now once you can do that, oh yeah, by the way, the bass is just going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and while that's going on. So in doing power chords, you can do just 2 fingers first like this. And then you can add the third finger for the E form. It's fingers 1, 3, and 4. A form, it's fingers 1 and 3. Back to 1, 3, and 4. So it'd be like, this is G5. This is a G power chord. This is F5. This is an F power chord. This is C5. That's a C power chord. This is G5. So it'd be like 1, 2, 3. Now you might want to play that with 1 string first. Then try 2 strings, then 3 strings. It's going to be syncopated. It's going to be 1, 2, and 4. 1, 2, and 4 for the verses. So that'd be like 1, 2, and 4. 1, 2, and 4. 1, 2, and 4. You can do all downs for this. I guess it works with downs and ups as well. Kind of depends how I'm feeling, I guess. If I was playing this on stage, maybe I'm feeling extra boisterous and extra, I don't know, powerful, and I'm doing some up strums. But basically, since it's syncopated, it's 1, 2, and 4. 1, 2, and 4. 1, 2, and 4. 1, 2, and 4. 1. So during the chorus part, we're going to go in the other direction. We're going to go from G5 up here to D5, and down here to C5, and then back to G5. And in the chorus, we're going to have an extra little strum. It's going to go 1 and 2 and 4. So during the verse, it was 1, 2, and 4. During the chorus, we're going to go 1 and 2 and 4. So it's a little bit busier. So the verse is, the chorus is busier. definitely a distinction between the verse and the chorus, with the chorus being a little busier. The breakdown section is really cool. There's this G minor 7 chord that looks like this. And there's a G minor 6 like this. And then this F over G. And then a G up here like this. So that's this first. And this. Then this. And then this. So on this voicing, I'm playing what I call the Hendrix chord. I've got a Hendrix shirt on, ironically. I'm skipping the A string by putting my thumb here on low E3 and doing D, G, and B like an F chord. This is dampened on the A string, so if you strum that, that's sort of incidental. So what we can do is keep a consistent bass line underneath like this. And try this. Kind of tricky. I'm playing this first and this. Hybrid picking over here so I can skip that A string. Here I'm playing F over G and transferring to my thumb this chord, so that looks like this to this. That's going to take some practice. It's not easy to do that. But if you do that, you can keep a consistent bass going, and then you can make it sound like the band, like all by yourself. So the way the song's formatted, there's the intro riff twice, then we have a verse and a chorus, and a verse and a chorus, and the breakdown, and a verse and a chorus. So it's pretty straightforward. That's intro riff twice, verse, chorus, breakdown, verse, chorus. If you're enjoying today's lesson on how to play Fortunate Son by CCR, please hit that subscribe button and click the bell for notifications. And in the comment section down below, you'll find the song chart for the song on my website and other guitar resources. So quick recap here. We have 3 chords. We have the verse, and the chorus. That's it. So during the verse, we have 1, 2, and 4. And for the chorus, we want to be a little busier. 1, and 2, and 4. Actually, it's 1 and 2 and 4 and. If you're having trouble with that, try that with 1 string first, and then try 2 strings, and then 3 strings. And of course, like I said, you can do up strums if you'd like to. Though I think that John Forgerty was doing just downs on the song. The up strums might sound good if you're playing especially loud on stage and you feel like being bombastic. And again, the intro riff one more time. Very classic John Forgerty intro riff with the 6th. There's that little breakdown. If you could do that with that consistent G note underneath, all the better. All right, thank you for checking out the lesson on how to play Fortunate Son, this great CCR classic. Pretty straightforward, easy song to play. You can throw this in your set list and start rocking it out tonight. All right, I'll see you at the next lesson.